Stop comforting yourself right now. You are not poor because of bad luck. You are poor because you indulge in your own laziness every single day. Financial freedom is not a beautiful pink dream. It is a brutal war for survival where only the most disciplined individuals have the right to win. Every choice you make either builds your empire or digs your grave. The truth is harsh, but avoiding it is what keeps you trapped in poverty. Are you tired of just getting by? Then stop acting like a victim of circumstance and start taking absolute responsibility for every single cent you spend. The world is designed to keep you broke through constant temptation. If you cannot control your impulses, you will always be a slave to the system. First discipline, stop uncontrolled spending. Those small amounts of pocket money you throw out the window every day are actually burying your entire financial future. You think $5 doesn't matter, but compounded over time, it is the difference between a life of luxury and a life of desperate struggle. Second discipline, cut the chains of debt. If you are buying things just to look rich to people you don't like, you are signing your death warrant. Debt is the modern form of slavery. Every interest payment you make is a piece of your freedom being handed over to someone much smarter. You must decide today if you want the temporary thrill of a new toy or the permanent peace of mind that comes with true ownership. Third discipline, investing is not an option. It is a mandatory requirement for survival. If you don't invest, your hard-earned money will simply rot away. Saving is good, but if you only keep your money in a piggy bank, inflation will eat your wealth alive until there is nothing left. The rich understand that money is a tool. The poor think money is something to be spent. This fundamental difference in mindset changes everything. You must make your money work for you while you sleep. Otherwise, you will be forced to work for money until the day you die. Become the master of your capital. Force every single dollar to go out and bring back more friends. That is the only way to win. Fourth discipline, delay instant gratification. Don't use this month's salary to buy fake admiration. Your future self will thank you for the sacrifice. The most successful people are those who can say no to the party today so they can own the building where the party happens tomorrow. Success doesn't happen overnight. It happens after thousands of silent, disciplined nights that nobody sees and nobody ever claps for. Fifth discipline, adopt a long-term mindset. Stop looking for shortcuts and hacks. The only real hack is consistent, boring, and relentless hard work. Though financial freedom is the reward for those who are brave enough to say no to temptation and yes to their long-term vision. Every excuse you make is just garbage if you are still standing in the same place. It is time to stop talking and start doing. Master your cash flow, eliminate bad debt, invest aggressively, delay your pleasure, and think in decades, not in days. These are the laws. I have shown you the path, but I cannot walk it for you. The weight of discipline is heavy, but the weight of regret is unbearable. Ask yourself, are you ready to change, or are you just here to watch another video? Your answer will define the rest of your life. The journey to wealth is lonely and difficult, but the view from the top is worth every single sacrifice you will ever have to make. Write down in the comments the very first discipline you will implement today. Let it be a public testament to your commitment to greatness. Don't just watch this and move on. As action is the only bridge between the life you have and the life you desperately want to lead. Welcome to the world of those who master their own lives. If you are ready for more truth, then stay with us on this journey. The time for talk is over. The time for execution is now. Go out there and take control of what belongs to you. True freedom is earned, never given. Start your transformation today and never look back. We will see you at the finish line.